Hello, I welcome you to my Yoruba language class. In our class today, we will be learning about the various items of clothing. Àwọn aṣọ wíwọ̀. Alright, let's go. Dress, ẹ̀wù. Trouser, ṣòkòtò. Shirt, ẹ̀wù péńpé. Gloves, ìbọ̀wọ́. Coat, ẹ̀wù àwọ̀lékè. Hat, fìlà. Ring, òrùka. Necklace, ẹ̀gbà ọrùn. Bracelet, ẹ̀gbà ọwọ́. Shoes, BATA. Socks, IBOSE. Sweater, ẹ̀wù òtútù. Underwear, aṣọ àwọ̀tẹ́lẹ̀. Wristwatch, aago ọwọ́. Earrings, yẹtí. Belt, ìgbànú. We have come to the end of the lecture. We will meet in the next class.